students, I heartily welcome you all to this very important and life-transforming year of Standard 12th. In the vision and mission of your life, English will definitely be playing a very significant role. This year we have a new textbook with us. All the lessons and poems here will take you on a special journey of life, and these experiences would prepare you to face the challenges you would encounter in future. Students, if you see the cover page of this textbook, you will find that it caters to the needs of this techno-savvy generation. Students, I know you are very curious about the new syllabus. In our syllabus, there are few sections. The first one is section 1, that is prose. Section 2, we have poetry. Section 3, we have writing skills. Section 4, there is study of genre. In that, we will study novels. And last section, we have section 5, that is grammar. First, we have section first, that is prose. In this, we will study few topics such as the first one, draft a speech. Second, expansion of an idea. Third, view counter view. Fourth, conduct an interview. Fifth, character sketch. Sixth, write a report. Seventh, write an appeal. Eighth, mind mapping of design. Ninth, write an email. 10th, write a flyer. And lastly, we have write a report. Then we have section 2, that is poetry. In this, we will study appreciation of poem, write a blog, and composing lines or compose a poem. Then we have section 3, that is writing skills. In this, we will study few topics such as summary writing, mind mapping, note making, statement of purpose, drafting a virtual message, and group discussion. Then we have section 4, study of genre, that is novel. We have to study 3 novels in this section. First one, write a note on. Second, character. Third, theme. Fourth, plot. Fifth, language. And sixth, setting of novel. Our last section is language study. In this, we will study few topics, and those topics are: first, parts of speech. Second, sentence structure. Third, vocabulary and word building. Fourth, conversation, speech. Fifth, figures of speech and stylistic devices. Sixth, phrases, idioms, proverbs, maxims and their usage. And 7, functional grammar. Students, now we will see all these sections in details. That means which topics we will study under all these sections. In section 1, that is prose, we will study few lessons. First, An Astrologer's Day by R.K. Narayan. On Saying Please by Alfred George Gardiner. The Cop and the Anthem by O. Henry. Big Data, Big Insights. The New Dress, Virginia Woolf. Into the Wild by Kiran Purandare. Why We Travel by Siddharth Pico Raghavan Iyer. And the last, Voyaging Towards Excellence by Achyut Godbole. Section 2, Poetry. In this, we will study few poems. First one, Song of the Open Road by Walt Whitman. Indian Weavers by Sarojini Naidu. The In-Cape Rock by Robert Southey. Have You Earned Your Tomorrow by Edgar Guest. Father Returning Home by Dilip Chitre. Money by William H. Davis, She Walks in Beauty by George Gordon Byron, Small Towns and Rivers by Mamang Dai. Now section 3, that is writing skills. In this we will study summary writing. Do schools really kill creativity? That is mind mapping, note making, statement of purpose, drafting a virtual message, group discussion. Section 4, genre, drama. In this we will study history of novel, and 3 novels we will study. To Sir with Love by E.R. Braithwaite, Around the World in 80 Days by Jules Gabriel Verne, The Sign of Foe by Sir Arthur Ignatius Conan Doyle. Students, this was all about our new textbook and syllabus. We will achieve our all basic skills like listening, speaking, reading and writing, and achieve all the objectives by studying the new syllabus. I hope you will enjoy to study this new textbook and score well in the board exams. Students, if you like my video, subscribe it by pressing the bell icon, and you can also share it. Thank you very much and wish you all the best in your studies. Thank you.